Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error couldn't load launcher. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. Click here and then type Windows Update Settings, and now click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you will find here, and then go back and type here Task Manager, and then go to Startup and make sure to enable Java. Here's it, Java. Make sure to enable it. If you find here disable it, just right click and click enable, and then go back and go to control panel. Now if you find control panel like that, click view by and make it small icons, then go to Java, and now go to update and click update now and make sure your Java is updated, and after that close those windows and go to device manager. Now just go to processors and make sure to update all those drivers here, right click update and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Then restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.